How to show mutual friends on Facebook. So if you want to show the mutual friends on Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, and then you need to go with settings and privacy and go with privacy center. And here you may have an option of see more privacy settings. You just simply go with that option. But if you don't have that option, you can simply go with the settings option. Under settings, you need to go with the search. And under search, you need to search for who can see your friend list, or you can simply scroll down. And under audience and visibility, you will have how people can find and contact you. Tap on it, and here you will have who can see your friend list. So if you've chosen only me, then it will only show the mutual friends on Facebook. So if you have simply choose any of these options, then you just need to simply switch to only me. Once you've chosen only me, then you will have, or you will show only the mutual friends on Facebook. So that's how you can show your mutual friends on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.